Hey guys, you there guys? You there guys? Oops. Hey guys. What's going on, guys? Who's out here? Uh-oh. Who's there? Who's there? Who this? Tick Daddy. Tommy. Terp Derp J. Kevin Tobias. GB. GCTA. Coach Fred. Slick Rip. The Ruler. Robert Gallus. Just look at them. NJ. Vincenzo. Bacon. Paid Discord on the way. I did $81 million. Roro. Chad. Carbonite. Marco. Ian Connor. Top of the chat. Dips and Peaks. Did I miss anyone? I trade. Didn't see you, bruh. Did I? I don't remember. When I do the roll call, I'm just running through everybody's names. Top of the chat. So I need more fucking coffee. That's for fucking sure. You take that to the bank. Just gonna reach. It's long enough. That's what she said. Subi guy, V33. Here in my remodeled kitchen. I'm out here because my wife just left. She's going to see her mom. So I figured, why not hang out in here for a little while? Because normally I'm subjected to upstairs because I'm loud as fuck. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? But I used to hang out on the island in the place I was in before this. Is that fucking watermark? Fuck, yo. Fuck's up with that, yo. So, did I turn my screen on yet? Shit, my screen's not even on. Shit. Gotta take a funded shit. All right. Boom. So let me show you what I got going on here. I got this. I got these right here. I'm on day 5. So these are officially passed now. Officially. Fucking killed it. $8.50 to make them holla. Didn't even need that. I could have lost 160, 130 bucks or whatever. It would have been good. But, you know, why not win the flip too? You know? Because because that was the first account. Those are the first accounts I traded. And, you know, maybe I want to try to get like a green everywhere type of day. So that's them. These are passed. Here's my trade days. I just did this a little while ago. So we're just about at 1,800. after a couple of days traded with those. Let's see if I could continue building them. It's been a little bit of a challenge for me lately. I get the evals up a good amount, and then for whatever reason, I find a way to fuck them up and blow them. So I'm not, you know, we're moving forward, not backwards here. We're moving forward. And then I did this. I did this earlier this morning. These fucking lucids. You know what's fucked up about this? You know what's fucked up about this? I was right about this short, and I kind of fumbled the short, but I was still green, but then I went long here. I went long here at a good spot. It was a 786. And I got taken out. I got shaken out at 21.75, but at that point I was up $723. So I was like, I'm not fucking this up. Like, I didn't want to give any of this back. You know what I mean? That's a good day. That's a good day for for 5 funded lucids. And it was my third $150 day. And I was already kind of stumbling and bumbling before that because I was up like right here. I was short here. I got back in short here. And then right after I got shaken out, it fucking dropped a bunch. And then I started fucking giving shit back. It was getting annoying. And then, but of course, I get out here. And that was what, 21.75. It went up. Obviously, I wasn't going to get all of this, right? Let's just be real. I mean, look at this shit. Fuck. You guys are so fucking annoying. 321.75. It went up 245 fucking points from there. I was in 2 minis. Now, forget about all of that. That it just kept going, but like, would have been cool if I could get any of this. I would have loved any of this, but I got shaken out here, and I was like, let me do the responsible thing and lock myself out, up $723, up $13.50 overall after 3 days of trading. I've been struggling to get payouts recently. Why fuck it up over just because I was greedy and annoyed that this happened? But I was like, whatever the fuck ever, because 2 more days of $150 will get me $4,000 basically. Well, 3,600 or whatever. I'll take it. I'll fucking take it. Give it to me. You know what I mean? Sure. Could I have gotten it if I would have just held, I'd be in max, you know, I'd be in like max payout land, which is a couple of more days to go, of course. But at this point, I'll take whatever I could get. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Just checking on the dogs. Pete Shenanigan, Mayo, Konija, Fred. Just as good as Rips to pass evals. I trade. What's up? What's happening? 360. Investors. Nico. Is anyone else having problems with their dashboard on Apex's website? Saying under maintenance all day. Let me try. I'm going to try logging in right now. So all I have left to trade. Oh, by the way, yes, I wanted to tell you, Bullinox, it's only 75% off, right? They had the sale, the 75% off sale right now, but it's for option 1 and option 2. That's usually about as good as it gets for option 2. Option 2 is end of day trailing. So if you want to fuck around, if you want to trade Bullinox end of day trailing accounts right now, you could get 50Ks for like $43, which is a pretty good deal with the best fucking code 0DayJ. With that said, it doesn't even come close to Take Profit Traders 50% off a no activation deal, right? 50% off, no activation fee until Sunday night, until 11:59 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. That's a fucking killer deal. Apex is 90% off. Trade days 30% off a no activation fee. Lucid is 40% off. It depends. It depends, but I'm pretty sure they're 40% off. If not, they're 30% off. That's like their default. But if you haven't used up all your, like, they give you X amount of uses or whatever. And then my funded futures, which is what I'm going to be trading, the Rapids are 30% off. The Bob the Builders are, I don't know if they're 40% off anymore, but they might be 30% off. I haven't checked. And I'm pretty sure the pro accounts are 30% off. Resets. These, I got 30% off on these resets, these rapid resets. 30% off on resets. So just keep that in mind too. I don't know if it's 30% off every type of plan reset, but I know the rapid plans are 30% off because I just bought those. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Manage groups. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. That's a builder. Now, this fucking builder, I'm probably going to blow this fucking builder account. I only have $400 left in it. So I haven't touched it yet. Let me get my fucking OTP. You down with OTP? Yeah, you know me. You down with OTP? My one-time password. Yeah. This fucking, you might be cashed. Because I could see, I'm in the dashboard right now. I can see everything. GCTA. AS, what up? 0 Day Jane here. P Shenanigan. Roberto. What do I trade on? What do you mean? What do you mean? It's 90% until May 19th? Okay. Di Lorenzo rolling in his benzo. Jack Boom. Foo-foo. Yeah, usually like the option 2 promos are like 45% off, which is like, don't even bother. And the only account size worth getting at Bullinox is the 50K. Holy Earth, what up? I'm going to serve up a dose of humidity today. What's my code for trade iffy? Chad, I don't have a code for trade iffy. If I had to be on, I don't trade with them. I've considered starting trading with them. I just got to get over the fact that, you know, I have this hang up with Brett. I don't even dislike him. I like him. I think he's cool. Like I learned my first exposure to the Fibonacci retracement was from fucking Brett. So I appreciate him for that. But what up, Kenny? This fucking niacid is kicking the fucking, I feel it on my neck. No skills. I think my wife was just watching some TikTok about it. I don't know. I heard her watching. She was watching something and was talking about something along those lines. I'm gonna text her and ask her. I'm texting her right now. We almost bought a house in Silverado Ranch. Silverado Ranch is really nice, though. It's nice over there. The houses are big. Brandon, let's go, Brandon. Keegan Murphy, Keegan Murphy. I already said what up to Brandon. JK, no skills. Yeah, I just asked her. I'm going to see what she has to say, if she knew about it, if that's what she was watching. The TPT 25Ks are always worth it. If you could fucking trade with, if $1,500 worth of drawdown is enough for you. That's the easy. That's like for take profit traders, the easiest path to a payout. The buffer is 1,500. All right, what are we doing here? What the fuck are we doing? Oh, dude, what the fuck? I didn't even see that. I didn't even notice. I didn't even see this happening. Look at that bounce. Watch this. 786. What do you think? 786, guys. 786. And we got a 786 right here. Probably, oh my God, right on the fucking money. We got a 786 bounce right there. It fucking bounced. How many fucking points? 66 to fucking, almost, what is that? 74 fucking points it bounced. I like the 25Ks. I just haven't been able to get, Rafal, what up, man? I didn't know that was you. I got to remember that you are DJ R is back. Are you DJ Rafal? But, yeah. They're good accounts if you could fucking, oh, look at that. That's a 707. I think. They're good accounts if you could if you're good at, managing that drawdown. Remember, their funded accounts, their pro accounts are at 707. Their funded accounts are intraday trailing. So as soon as that shit That shit works against you right away. Right away. What the fuck just happened? All right, so Bob the Builder. Oh, that's a nice. What a fucking pop. This drop was cool, but like it's hard to fucking chase into this drop because we're at all-time highs again. Look, we made. Let me go to a larger time frame. This was the previous all-time high. This was Monday. Then we dipped yesterday, and then we came all the way back and went fucking higher. I think the fucking new Fed chair was fucking talking a lot of shit today, and the market reacted favorably to them. Look at that, 29,565. It's fucking crazy. Fucking crazy, chat. So I was trading crude. I like trading crude. I'm good at trading crude. Look, did some damage here and here. This was on my trade days, guys. You see, guys? So where my dogs at, investors? At the grocery store parking lot? I mean, we are in Vegas, bro. It's fucking crazy. Benny, what up? Bowser. Yeah, we all green. I'm all green so far. Let's see if I can keep the greenness going. Let me look at this fucking crude on the fibs. Look, so watch this. So we got this high, this low. Let me make this bigger. Look at that, 786. And we dropped $3, 3% on that 786 rejection. Chat. Now it's kind of fucking bouncing. I don't know what it wants to do. It could go lower. I don't know. NQ. That was 30-something points. At this point with this Bob the Builder account, I guess I could try to fucking slam it and just grow it like that, or I could just try to give myself some wiggle room and see what I could do. I had like $1,300 on that yesterday overall, and then I fucking lost a bunch of money and lost a bunch of drawdown too. K. Soliman. Yeah, that too. So K. Soliman was telling Rafal for just a little bit more, you get $500 more drawdown. But at the same time, he's got to get $500 more minimum to, push himself over the buffer to get a payout. However, the other side of it is he would need another $1,500 just to pass the eval, because the evals, if it's $1,500 to pass a 25K, you need $3,000 to pass a 50K. So if I go here into the promotion, my little promotion thing. So like I said, we got 50% off, take profit trader, no activation fee until the end of May 17th with the best fucking code 0DayJ. It's a flash sale. I think they may have done this one other time, 50% off and no activation fee. All right. And then these are the prices. 25K is $75. For $10 more, you get 500 more drawdown. But at the same time, you got to grow the account twice as big just to pass, which could be a challenge for people. But this is the pricing on all the different sizes of Take Profit Trader with the best fucking code 0DayJ while the sale is going on. Anyway, let's see what the fuck we can do here. Coach Fred. Have I gotten my Apex Live? No, I have not. I have an account. I have an Apex Live account. But I don't have an Apex Live. Did I get a new notification here? Transitioning. Oh, that was 29 days ago. Apex Live, that was 8 days ago. Yeah, nah. I mean, I'm in the regular sim dashboard. Let me check and see what the fuck is going on over here. But Apex is 90% off. If I could buy fucking evals, I would be buying them at 90% off. But I'm just waiting here. The fuck is that? Anyway, sorry, I saw something in my email. I was like, the fuck is that? I'm logging in. Let me see if I got any emails from Apex. Yeah, I don't really see anything. Let me log into the live. The next phase is me just hearing from somebody, I think. But I do have an Apex Live dashboard. But it's still nothing new since that happened. All right. See, this is why. There. Orders in. Black Magic, what up? Oh, thank you. I love you too. Yeah, Subi guy fucking made a killing on those 25Ks. Dream Chaser. I have. But I might be out of the Dream Chaser X if I activated 10 pros in the last 30 days. I did. I activated 10 pros like a couple of weeks apart from each other last month. So I might have to wait a couple of days before I can even activate these pro accounts. There's a 30-day window. You only activate 10 funded Take Profit Trader accounts in 30 days. But it rolls off. As soon as it rolls off, you could activate. So I might be in that situation. I'm like right around that time frame. which is fine. I don't care. All I know is that I have 5 past evals that as soon as I can, I will activate them. And it won't cost me anything because there's no activation fee. Right now, I'm just waiting to see if I could get filled on this fucking shit. Do I even want to trade the NQ? Honestly, do I really want to fucking trade the NQ? Shit pisses me off a lot. Like a perfect example. I'll show you. Let me go to the NQ. Right here. I was shorting the NQ. And it just kept these candles. Look at these candles. Obviously, I'm on the 1 minute, but look, I just kept getting fucked around with. And then sure enough, it finally drops. And then look where it dropped here. It's a fucking piece of shit. So I don't know. That's a 786 with that being the last high. And this is the low. Look at that. I think it goes higher though. It could go higher. Like up here, maybe here, but I feel like this is a better high to go base my fib drawing on. I'm going to put an order fucking right here. And I'm going to go into the fucking rapid shit and do the same fucking thing right here. I'm going to do one here. I mean, shit, that's what I meant. One at the 786, one at the 707. And then, but if I go and treat this or this, yeah, there we go. Let's go back to the Bob the Builder plan, though. I think I'm going to get filled in these pretty soon, though. Clint Vale, what up? Willie. This market is wild. Yeah, I know. Hang on, I got to get some coffee. Just my style. What up? Hey, yes. I mean, dude, I know, I get it. I'm with you, bro, but like, fuck, man. I've been having trouble passing evals no matter what. So I got an order up here. I forgot. Oh man, I'm not gonna get filled. Hippie farmer. How much is the Apex activation on the 50K end of day? I have no idea. Probably a little over $100. Vince, what up? How hard can it be? No skills. How hard can it be? Oh, it was that 60? What's $69 activation fee? I think that's for the 50K intraday, though. Oh, fuck. Just kidding. That's what I wanted to happen. Look at crude. Fucking pop. Let's see how much it's up. 70 ticks. Mob Barley. Fallacy, what up, man? Lots of emails about transitioning. Marcos. Yo, my count says 0 out of 20. So maybe they're going to let you have 20, or they just copy the dashboard from the they copied the regular sim trading dashboard. I don't fucking know. Oh, shit. Is this just going to keep popping? It looks like it might want to. Yeah, whatever. Maybe there's a chance they won't. They're not going through. They're not putting all this shit out saying we're working on this, that, and the other thing for live, and they're not going to let people go live. There's no way, bro. Tyler. Bro, Ronnie, what up? Honest take. Nah, you could trade metals with Apex now. You could trade metals again. JK. Well, we're green so far. I kind of wish I got filled on this one before the drop. J coins. Yeah, Marcin. It's $99 to activate a 50K intraday, according to Bowser. $129 for 50K end of day. Damn, that's almost as bad as that's almost as bad as Bullinox. No problem, hippie farmer. Stephen Cox ran 2 red lights. You guys are funny. Jose Carlos, AL, Faisal. You started trading Lucid Live? Nice, bro. The fills are different too. Like the fills are, someone's got it. You're in a live and you're in the real person, like having a personal account. You're in the real environment. So like, there's got to be a buyer, or like if you're trying to go long, there's got to be a seller to take that you could buy orders from, and vice versa. If you're trying to go short, there's got to be a buyer. It takes less time to get a mortgage. That's fucking funny, bro. TTA. I'm fine, man. Whenever it comes, it comes. I'm not mad. I don't care. Whatever. I miss trading my Apex accounts, right? I miss it a lot. I like to trade a bunch of Apex accounts. It was fun. And I was getting a lot of fucking payouts. But whatever. It's fine. I got other firms I could trade with. Right in the tick. Of course, the older version was better. The older versions are always better. The version before the previous version was better, because all you needed to do to get $2,000 was get to 2,600. I could run up funded accounts at 2,600 in my fucking sleep. We're all getting better at trading as a collective, as a whole. So these prop firms got to make the adjustments so they could stay, so they could stay profitable, and we could keep doing what we're doing. The MA rule, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, right in the tick. That's Wiz, bro. My bad, man. My bad. Wiz. That was my bad. My bad. What is this shit? What's the NQ doing? Just cucking around? Oh shit, I'm up 160. My cousin's fucking telling me that Francisco Alvarez on the Mets fucking tore his meniscus. funny. I'm in a crude short, but I'm looking at the NQ. Come on, fucking flush it. Rick. Apex means deceiver in Hebrew. I thought that was NASA. That's fucking funny. Honest Take, what up? Raisins and raw cashews? Never. I mean, I've had raw cashews. Stephen Cox. Tyler. Unprofitable whiz. Yeah, your name changed, bro. Don't say that about yourself. Don't say that. You're profitable in the making. You're profitable in your mind. You're just waiting for your bank account to fucking reflect it. That's all. Tyler. Let's go. Flush this motherfucker. Tim Morgan. Raw cashews. Yeah. I like it raw. Am I DTF for MOC? Maybe. Let me see where I think I got an order on this Bob the Builder plant up here at the 786. But in the meantime, I need crude to fucking flush. Because I'm in crude right now. I'm in short. Oh, don't fucking bounce there, you fucking puss. Let's see. Oh, wow. Let's see here. Let's keep going down this way. Let's go. Flush it. Tyler's really excited about his transition. I transitioned from ashy to classy. What's coming up on Friday? What up, Mart Man? Yeah, Mart Man, you could trade metals in Apex now. You can trade metals in Apex. It's been like that for like a week, at least a week, maybe 2 weeks. Does it look like a fleshlight? It looks like Tyler was telling me that it looks like a fucking. It went from looking like a hot dog to a hot dog bun. Come on, drop it, yo. Come on. Flush it. We're basically at the 786, though, if this was the low. I want it to fucking go all the way down here, downtown. Downtown. They're taking out a one there. Wishful thinking. Pause. It might give it back. Oh, man, I don't know. We're going to find out in a few minutes what it wants, or in a couple of minutes what it wants to do. I mean, yeah, who the fuck knows? Who the fuck knows, Faisal, what this shit's going to do? By the way, if you guys want to hang out in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, here's the link. Who the fuck is this? Oh, I ain't answering the phone. Are those Jehovah's Witnesses? I think there's Jehovah's Witnesses at my door. Don't ring my fucking doorbell. My dogs are gonna go crazy. Oh no. Oh, it was just my son and his girlfriend. Yo, I thought you guys were Jehovah's Witnesses about to like ring the doorbell. How you doing? Yeah, it's the bug sprayer guy. Mommy's not here.
Where is she?
She went to see grandma. If she was here, I definitely wouldn't be down here streaming. Oh. Look what you did, Jay. Anyway. Oh, did I just miss getting? Watch this. I had an order. Look at my order. It still could get filled, but I just missed getting filled on the short by 4 points, less than 4 points. What happened to crude? It fucking bounced here. What? What's NQ doing? Oh my God. I had an order right here on the Bob the Builder plan. Look at this shit. Just fucking missed. 4 points. I would have loved 30 points. I would have got back everything I lost yesterday. Now, does it want to go lower than this? Like, does it want to go lower, or does it want to fucking... Dude, 84. That candle was almost 50 points. Let's see if we could blow this account. Yeah, these are going to blow. Well, this is going to. Oh, shit. Somehow I still have the account. I think it's going to blow, though. See, like, I just missed getting filled by 4 points. Yeah, this is cooked. Awesome. Damn, I was green everywhere until that happened. I just missed getting filled by 4 points. It fucking dropped. It dropped 80 points. Awesome. I was fucking green everywhere. Does it want to drop more? Whatever. I'm annoyed. I mean, I look, I didn't have any drawdown. I had like $400 of drawdown. So it is what it is. Now I'm just fucking doing dumb shit. Yeah, that's not working for me. That's not working. I miss getting filled by 4 points on this shit. You know how annoying that is? And then it drops fucking 99, almost 90 points. It might go lower. It might go lower. What are we doing here? I guess we're going lower. Oh boy. Oh boy. Am I gonna blow another group of evals here? I trade my funded futures accounts like shit. I'm just sitting in this fucking trade though. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. I love buying new accounts. I love buying new accounts. Everyone's sweating. I'm not sweating. Palms are sweaty. Mom's spaghetti. Knees weak. Arms are heavy. Steve J. D. Simone. First time MLC worked in my favor. Yo, I mean, that's what I thought was going to happen. I missed it by 4 fucking points. What a drop. We went down 90 points. You know, that full move. Fresh on cloud. How hard can it be? Let's see. Rapido. AS. Oh man, at least they're 50% off instead of 40% off. You know what I'm saying? But I go through that too. I was going through that with all of them. Lucid, Take Proper Trader, Trade Day, fucking My Funded Futures. I was getting funded account. Oh man, I didn't even see that. Come on, pop it. I don't know if it's gonna pop here. The upper the VWAP band is holding. Oh shit. What's crazy is this is the upper the VWAP band. This was it. I just adjusted the fucking zoom and that we bounced right off of the upper the VWAP band. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Where's crude? Is crude going? Crude's better be going down. No, crude's not even moving. This thing on? Shit is broken. It's all NQ. No. Keep going. Push more. If it comes up here, I think I'll be all right. I'll get my 1500. Yeah, fallacy. Right now until the end of the week, 50% off and no activation fee, bro. With the best fucking code 0DayJ. Tony Gold, what up? Done for the day. Hey, that's not bad. It could have been a lot worse. Would you look at it? Bro, join the club, man. Stock cards and bets. Is this gonna, oh my God, this fucking little fucking area is gonna be a little fucking cuck. Come on, bro. How many am I in right now? 3. What was I up over here? 6 times 3. You fucking serious? Miss Goody. Oh, you were down 800 an hour ago? All right, bro. Yeah, you're fucking golden, bro. You're golden. Come on. I'm holding out for this thing to push higher. Don't tell me this little fucking bullshit shelf of cuck is going to get in the way. Lock it in? No. Uh-oh. Come on, push up another. Come on, push up a little bit more. Come up here. Come on, Billy, Bobby, Joey, Billy, Tommy, Billy, Dot, Bobby. And it's fucking going all over the place. No. One more leg up. One more leg up. You fuck. I'm going to get shaken out. I'm going to get shaken out and be fucking pissed. Fucking piece of shit. Let's go. Push up. Come on, do something. Every fucking time. Every fucking time. Now it's going to go up higher. Kill me and then go lower. Every fucking time. I fucking hate this shit. Every fucking time. It's the same. Dude, I had like $1,200. Oh, look what happened. Crude fucking popped. Oh, am I in? Don't tell anybody over at My Funded Futures. I literally had like $1,200. That was so stupid. Don't tell anyone over there. Don't tell Matt Leach. And look what happens. It's going up again. Let me get out of the crude. Fuck crude. Should have just fucked with this to begin with. Look what it's doing now. See, like if I just was still in that trade, I would have gotten what I wanted. But this had to happen. I had to get shaken out down here, and it goes higher. It always does. It always goes further in the direction I'm in after I get shaken out. It's fucking annoying. I would have had my $1,500 day. Oh, man. No. Awful. I shouldn't even stream during power hour. I suck at trading it now. I should just not stream ever again. I had $1,200 fucking dollars here. The other account was missed getting filled by like, yeah, I'm gonna blow these. Watch me blow these. So fucking stupid. I'm so fucking stupid. I missed getting filled on that short by what, 4 fucking points? 4 points. I had an order up here by 4 points higher on the Bob the Builder plan. And then we fucking flush. And then I found a way to blow that shit. And then now I'm going to blow these after being up like $1,200, $1,300. It's fucking pathetic. At this point, I don't even fucking want them. So I hope they blow. There's no point in fucking building accounts with this much drawdown left. Fucking shit's frustrating. I just bought these accounts. There we go. Hold on. Let me go back to all the other accounts. All right, we're green here. We're green here. We're green here. Whoop-de-fucking-do. What up, Micah? Money Mitch, Felix, Marcin. Stock Cars and Bets. TJP. Josh. It's just so like, look. This fucking happened and shook me out. I got shaken out here. And then it goes up just enough. Like, I would have been good. I would have been fucking good. Don't worry. Watch this. I'll just buy more accounts. Because that's what I'm good at. I'm good at buying accounts. I'm the best fucking account buyer on these prop room streets. Fucking bullshit. This is what's been going on. What up, Ree? Your wife is still yelling at her sister. I don't know, Micah. I've also seen you getting a hella fucking payouts while you're saying that you suck. You know what I mean? I haven't gotten a payout in over a month. Mr. 40KJ. Mr. 40K, average of 40K 3 months in a row, hasn't gotten a payout in fucking over 30 days. It's pretty fucking pathetic. So, and then shit like that happens. Like I had, yeah, here we go. Of course. Can I reset a fucking builder plan at a discount? Where is it? Let's see. Yeah. 30% off resets. You could put my code in to reset my fund and futures accounts. You'll get 30% off Bob the Builders, and you'll get 30% off rapid plans. I don't know about the other sizes, but 50K is for sure on the rapid plans. The fuck? It's so fucking, I'm so fucking annoyed. Fuck. Well, at least I'm 2 days away from an actual fucking payout. Let's see if I could actually get the job done. Yeah, fuck it. Let's chase up here. Let's blow these in 2 seconds. But like I right around here, I was up like $1,200 in the other shit. Can you push a little higher, you fucking piece of shit? So stupid. Of course that was easy. Why couldn't that just happen before? Why couldn't that just happen before? I got to lose money on purpose a different way. That's that one. Boom. Done. Stupid fucking shit. So fucking annoying. No name. For real. Guyyyssss, what up? Preneur X. Oh, you can't see my screen? You guys missed that? What are you talking about? You're delayed. You must be delayed because my screen is being shared. Was it? Did you guys see the trade? Did you guys see the trade where I just got $1,500 with ease after blowing the account, just missing getting $15 on the other ones? Okay, because no name. Someone just said they couldn't see my screen. Was it Guyyyssss? No, it wasn't Guyyyssss. Why we have the same group names, investors? Yeah, bro. Christine, you lost 5 trade iffy accounts. I'm sorry, man. It was a beautiful week until about 20 minutes ago. Isn't that crazy? That's how trading goes. Oh, it was Preneur X, bro. You should be able to see my screen now. I don't know how far back you are. Yeah. Yes. I mean, stock, cards, and bets. I mean, you know, budget accordingly. There's ways to get more money to buy evals if you want to up your budget. It's called get more money. But I get it. I'm sensitive to the situation. But I'm not going to buy less accounts because other people can't. You know what I mean? I don't know. Am I a dick for saying that? I don't know. Everybody's in a different situation. There's people that spend more money on accounts than I do, like a fuck ton more. Who am I taking in the Preakness? Enzo, what up? You know, I buy mine. You know, he gets them for free from all props. That's crazy. I guess if I asked, I could get them. But if I get free accounts, I'll just give them away. Yeah, stock, cards, and bets. It is a numbers game. But at some point, right, we all got to get better. Yeah, Savvy, what's up? That's okay. You just got to grow it. You just got to grow it a little bit more. That's all. How hard can it be? But that was stupid. Like, I should have had it here. What happens now? Well, what was your biggest day? How much did you get yesterday? You just got to double that. You can't have the way it works on the evals with Take Profit Trader and the 50% consistency rule, which they're right on. They are to the percentage. You know what I mean? To the fucking decimal. So if you do 1,600 in a day, your total profit has to be at least $3,200. Just do the math. Yeah, you got to grow it to 3,200. 3,200. Yeah, exactly. Or whatever. Double that. Drew, what up? Yeah, it's crazy, no name. It is. Same thing kind of happened with me. It fucking overshot it overshot my fucking stop. Let's not talk about the last 5 free Lucid accounts. I don't get free Lucid accounts. I don't know if you're joking around. I could reach out to because I'm an affiliate. I just haven't, but I could ask for free accounts. I used to be able to ask for a quantity to do giveaways, but I only did that a couple of times. I don't want to keep asking. You know what I mean? I think I've gotten 10 accounts from them to give away, and I gave them all away. And then I'd rather just come out of pocket most of the time. Oh, thank you. Yeah, stock cards and bets. Not a fucking chance. No free passes over here. Reed. Good job, man. Yeah, I was doing the same thing. I'm not having monster days on my funded accounts. I mean, I guess you could consider this a monster day, but fuck, man, if I would have held this trade or stayed in one contract, I could have got so much more. But I didn't. And I locked myself out because I was already up $700 in each account. Holy fuck. It was just crazy what happened. It's also very hard to trade at all-time highs. Look, we're giving back. This entire drop is getting fucking bought back up. Let's see how far it goes. We're right about at the 786 from this low and the last high. Right about there. Yeah, that's what I mean, I just know that when I get shaken out of a trade on that type of move, that's going to keep going. Yeah, Reed. Sometimes it's hard to get 250 to 300 a day, though. Freebird. What time frame? What? What time frame is what? Oh, Bowser. Oh, I know what you're talking about. I fucking leaked the codes and everybody was jumping on them, trying to jump on them. The first 5, I leaked the fucking codes like on a screenshot somewhere. Where was that? In the Discord? Now I remember. And then right after that happened, because Bowser luckily got one of them. Like, all I cared about once I realized what happened was that or I was on the stream. All I cared about was that at least one of them or 2 of them got fucking snatched up by people in the, that hang out on my streams and in the DCA gang. So then right after that happened, I asked for 5 more and they gave them to me, and I gave those away properly. Yeah, it was while I was streaming. What a fucking idiot. Yeah. Oh, my chart. This is the 1-minute chart. This is the 1-minute chart on TradeAvate. When I'm looking like on TradingView, I bounce around between like the 15, the hourly, the 4-hour, just to see what the fuck is going on. Here's gold. Like even this, look at this. Watch this, chat. This low, this high. Almost a 786. 855, 985. The range on gold was actually fucking minimal compared to how it usually is. 46, 76, 47, 34. 24 and 30. The range on gold was not even 600 ticks. My codes are on Temu. Zero Dawn, what up? Any update on the insider trading Discord? That's classified. Reed, then just stick with what works for you, bro. Stick with what works for you. If you want to do it, start with one more account. What's up, Patrick? You know what I mean? Start with one more account. Because it can get expensive if you're not trading well, like me. But of course, of course I get this easily after what just happened. I'm green everywhere now. Now I can say I'm green everywhere because those other fucking red accounts with the blown fucking accounts, the blown evals fucking dropped off. It never happened. It never fucking happened. There's a 786. But you could also make this the high of day and the all-time high. The high. And this with this the anchor, the low anchor. What's this guy doing? Not to mention, I dropped another $800 fucking dollars at the fucking emergency vet on this old man dog yesterday. It was so awesome. It was so awesome. Yeah, well, that's the thing. Like, I mean, that's not the worst thing in the world, Ree. If you're doing it with one payout, if you make 10K in a day, they'll move you live. I don't know if they do that anymore. Do you know what else would cause them to move you live? I think if you do, I think they changed their fucking parameters now, but I think you got to do like 20 or 25K in payouts in one account for them to start considering you for live, I think. I wouldn't worry about it though. I wouldn't even consider, unless you're going to do that or you're on the way to doing that. I wouldn't worry about it. Just grow the accounts, get payouts, and cross that bridge when you get there. And for anyone just tuning in there, 50% off with no activation fee this week only. Jack Boom, DJ Con September. Maybe, I don't know, man. I don't know. Channel's not really growing. So many there were like a couple of thousand fake subscribers added to my channel. And now, I got to put out more content that's not just me streaming. I got a lot. I have a list. I got a list of videos I want to make. You're up 11K in a 50K account. Yeah. On a 50, so you're going to request 9K. JP, what up? Thank you, JP. I appreciate it. You want to do another Vegas trip? You should. Oh, you're saying have a reason to, which is DGen Con. Oh, Lisa, what up? Yeah, I know. I just don't fucking entry-level trading know-how. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing some of that. I just, I see the value in that. This guy hungry? I don't know if he's hungry. Past 5 trade if he's nice. Thank God. I'm so glad that fucking TradeAway added this manual lockout button. Who knows what I would have done? I could have fucked this up. You know what I mean? I'll be right back. I got to urinate. This guy want to eat. Let me see if I can feed this guy first. No? Try one more time. Yeah. Nope. All right. I don't know what you want then, bro. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Hey, stick around. We're gonna do it. We'll give away a Take Profit Trader account at the end of the stream. All right. $150K. What's he doing? He's just standing around. I don't know. Za. You're trading 150K. Yeah, those fucking things get expensive, man. That shit adds the fuck up. At least they're, what are they now? They are, the 150Ks are 180. When you put in the best code 0DayJ. The 25Ks is $75. You could literally be all in with a funded Take Profit Trader account where you could get paid on day one potentially and get paid daily potentially for as little as $75. It's a really good fucking deal. He was drinking water. He wasn't eating. He was drinking water. Micah. Yeah, that's the other thing. That's why they're doing the sale to begin with. Resets have been $100 for any size account forever, as long as I've been using them. They're going to a tiered reset pricing structure. So the 25Ks will be less than 100. I think the 50Ks will be like right at 99, but the 75, 100s, and 150s are going up. Zoe, what's up? Sometimes I hate this trading shit and you hate yourself. Yeah, join the club, man. It's on us. You got to break the cycle. You got to recognize what's going on and fucking make the changes, the necessary changes to fucking, to stop that from happening. But it's never going to stop. Like, the market is fucking crazy and you're just going to have days where it's just fucked up. You just want to try to not prolong it. Like, I'm on a fucking 2-month stretch of just hating myself from trading. But you got to give yourself some grace. And that's something I'm working on myself. You got to give yourself grace. You got to understand. You can't be too hard on yourself. This shit is fucking hard. If it wasn't, everybody would be doing it. Stock, cars, and bets. Yeah, everything is still any size account, any size Take Profit Trader reset is $100 until the end of May 17th. I'm pretty sure on May 18th, which is Monday, the tiered pricing for resets goes into play. I'm going to make a change for once in my life. What song is that from, bro? I'm trying to figure out what song it is right now, and I can't think of it. You blew a fund today. You shouldn't have traded because you were on pain meds. How hard could it be? You're savvy. Exactly. Egg fucking exactly, man. Exactly. Look what I just did. I blew 3 fucking My Funded Futures accounts again. Well, yesterday I blew 2. And then of course this was easy. This was easy. So easy to get this 1500. But for whatever reason, I was right there and I couldn't get it on the other fucking shit. On the other 2 accounts. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Is that the man in the mirror? That's man in the mirror, right? Mikey. Yeah. Guyyyssss, yeah, because I've been through it. I'm going through it. Yeah. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Once I saw Michael Jackson, like, oh, that's man in the mirror. Konija, GB. There's a new My Funded Futures plan tomorrow, so what's going away? Percodans. Anyone ever fuck with PT 141? I'm just curious. If you want to make the world a better place, you got to look at yourself and make that change. Yeah, now I know. Yeah, fucking, it's a great song. Michael Jackson was the shit. Still is. Now he's just pretending to be some old white guy. You ever see that? The guy that he pretends to be, even though everybody thinks he's dead. Come on. You guys know what I'm talking about. I forgot the name, though. It's him. Just like Robin Williams is Uncle Pappy. Or Uncle Pappy is Robin Williams. If you know, you know. Don't talk about my uncle like that. Who's your favorite uncle? Uncle Magic. That fucking hurt. That hurt. That hurt. Elevate Wellness, what up? Your dog is being attacked by a big dog, and I was. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm looking at your backstory here. You got mauled by a dog protecting your dog. Is that what you're saying? That's kind of fucked up. That sucks. Yeah. Got to protect the baby, right? Bowser, so it could be that. It could be that, and then just not showing any certainty in your in what you're seeing. Getting blown by the wind is another one. You guys see me. You guys saw it happen to me yesterday. I was right about the move, and then I went against it because I got shaken out like a bitch, and then thought it was gonna like change direction. What about Whitney? I was just I got to look into it. I forgot who they I can't talk about it. There's a dude, his name is Tyler Hansen. He puts out a lot of content about shit like this. Konija. Tory Trey's tan line. My uncle. A corgi? Nice. I love all dogs. I had a Yorkie. That was our first dog we had together. Look at this shit. It gave back. Look, it bought back. The whole move just got bought back up. 90 fucking points. It's fucking crazy. Crazy. But there's a dude named Tyler Hansen. He goes by Tyler Hansen. He also has Fittest Flat Earther. He puts out a lot of really cool content about that type of shit. Candace Owens he thinks Candace Owens is Oprah. He thinks Elvis is Trump. He actually thinks Trump / Elvis is fucking Lucifer. Sanyel. No, if they approved your payout, they're going to send you your payment. They're going to send it to you. That's, I mean, as far as I know. You should hit up support and ask them, though. I don't know. I don't know for sure. You got to ask them. Did you get the payment sent email? Look at this shit. What the fuck? And look, yo, I was in crude short. I was in crude short on the My Fund the Futures accounts. I was in around here, and it went as low as here, and then this fucking pop happened. Look, it gave it all back up and went lower. So stupid. But obviously this happened way after the cutoff, so it didn't matter. We don't really walk our dogs. We just let them roam, you know, we just let them run around outside. Nao, I did see a video about Whitney. I forgot who he said she was. Same, even Lisa Left Eye Lopez. Candace Owens. He's like, they shapeshift. And he quotes like scripture. He said, I forgot what they said, that the fallen angels can take on 4 faces. I forgot what it says in the Bible. Miss K. But we can't talk about that. We're not allowed to talk about that. Not Chris Hansen. Look at crude dipping. Look at crude dumping now. I was in fucking short before. What's NQ doing? Did NQ pop? Oh my God. This is fucking crazy. Was there news? Not really. You thought her name was pronounced now? Who? Previous day high pop, Bowser, at fucking 430. It's fucking stupid, this market. Thank God I got my $8 to make them holla on my take profit traders. I'm curious when my 30-day shit drops off. These are good looking good. How hard can it be to get another $1,200? Right? $1,205. How hard can it be? Really, I need $1,205.50 if you know, because this one's a little bit less. How hard can it be? How hard can it be to get 2 more $150 days on these Lucids? Oh, Nao. I used to think the same thing, Maximus, bro, in the beginning. It's Konija. You always we already confirmed this, man. But I used to call Nao now in the beginning. I'd be like, now it's Nao. It's short for like Naomi. Yeah, I'll see it. Yeah, I know, Bowser. I know. I'm just gonna wait for the fucking pro activation button to show up. You know what I mean? No, what I'm saying. Yeah, so we're gonna give away a Take Profit Trader account to celebrate 50% off and no activation fee. Use the best code 0day J if you're gonna grab an account. But I would wait because you might win one. Oh. Nayo. Yeah, that's exactly how you spell it. Nayo. It's Ayo with an N in the front. You know? Ayo. And then you put the N. So it's Nayo. Coach Fred. Well, I'm waiting for them to activate the virus in my bloodstream with the mRNA OS. Shit. I don't think I'm supposed to say that. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, we're right at the 786 now. I just fucking think it go higher. She gonna murder me. See, I got to figure out. So this is why I miss trading Apex, because I'd be fucking around with an Apex eval right now, without a doubt. And everything else I have, I already traded. And like, I can't trade my fund the futures after 10 after 4. So now we're just going to hang out. If you don't want to hang out, I understand. But I will be giving away a free account at the end of this shit. All right, chat? Thanks, chat. Fucking crude dumped. Look at it. It's still going down. It's still dropping. I'm so fucking annoyed about that. I'm so fucking annoyed. What's funny is it came up to the 707 and rejected off of it. 60 ticks, 62 ticks. Michael Gianos. Hashtag asshat gang. What up? Mark. Did I ever get my live Apex accounts? Not yet. I do have a live dashboard. I have an account for their live dashboard. So that means I've made some progress in my transition. 0 Day Jane will be here before you know it. I trade, yeah. It's fucking rough. Father of Legends, what up? Yeah, tell him, Miss K. I'm doing a fucking giveaway. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Yeah, Mark, I'm not even worried about it. I'm trading other firms. I mean, I've been trading other firms. If all I was trading was Apex, then I'd be like, what the fuck is going on? You know what I mean? I'd be like, what am I supposed to do with myself? But I already know, and I knew since, you know, early on, never to put all my eggs in one prop firm's basket because shit like this could happen. Yeah, Michael Gianos. Yeah, if I could give them nicknames, they will get pronoun nicknames. What up, Golf Guy Mike? Am I nervous about transitioning? In the beginning, at first I was. Now I've come to grips with it, and I'm at peace. I just like buying accounts everywhere. Exactly. I love buying accounts everywhere. No, there was a I mean, I've always been buying accounts, but there was this. I was on a fucking crazy run where I wasn't really buying that many accounts. I would like to get back to that. I'm in the process of getting back to that. I just need 2 more fucking days on these Lucids. How hard can it be? How hard can it be to get $150 to make them holla in 2 days in a row? Why not Funded Futures Network? Man, too much baggage with that firm. Vinny Lee, exactly, bro. I fucking did it. I went from fucking having a fucking hot dog to having fucking hot dog buns. And it's not Jane, all right, Vinny Lee? It's Jane, 0 day Jane. It's Jane, Jayne, okay? Did he go up there with you?
Yeah.
Where's that racket that you were?
I put it there.
I wonder where I put it then. Did you bring it upstairs with you or something?
I don't think so.
I
I'm making go look for it.
Don't go crazy. What up, Coach Eddie? You're about to start trading the YM? Young money. Miss K. They turn those into fun. My ballies. That's how you know you're a mom or a parent. Because it's what you call them. Get myself, yeah, when I'm able to trade it. No, I'm not an actor in Hollywood being humiliated. I'm not participating in the humiliation ritual. What do I look like? Fucking Martin Lawrence? Eddie Murphy? You didn't find it?
No.
It's all right, bro. Don't even worry about it. I might have put it in the garage or something. I'll find it. No, it's definitely not in there. Yeah, exactly. They're all fucking easy to trade. They all look easy and better than what you're currently trading until you start trading it. It's really our tendencies. We got to get familiar with their tendencies and then be familiar with our own tendencies and fucking try not, and not, just it's all about composure, I think. I don't know. I do hate trading the NQ, but it's just a cuck. Pisses me off. I trade crude pretty good. I trade gold pretty good. Subi guy, yeah. I can see that. Coach Eddie, yeah. Just watch it, yeah, that's all. It's not going to stop it from having some fucking wild fucking move in either direction because Trump tweets about Iran and the ceasefire or something along those lines, or like Iran fucking bombs, fucking whoever, or we bomb Iran. It's not immune to that stuff, but on a regular, just candle by candle basis, it's from what I heard, it's not It's like NQ on Ambien. It runs good if you get that good entry. That's like, yeah, I mean, that's fucking, it's almost like that's trading in a nutshell. The entry is very important. Just like when you, like with like, if you're flipping shit, like cars or just anything like on eBay, they always say, or houses or anything that you want to buy and then sell for a profit. The saying goes, you make your money when you buy, not when you sell. It's the same thing. It's your entry really matters because there's so many trades that I get shaken out of, like banger trades. And a lot of times it's because my entry is fucked. So I go down in the trade first and I go down enough that I'm like just hoping to get the fuck out of the trade for a little bit of gains. And then I do. And then, you know, so it matters. It matters a lot, more than you think. Ask me anything, guys, until we do this giveaway. We're not doing a giveaway until I'm fucking good and ready. Yeah, I haven't traded ES in a while. Maybe I'll look into it again. I'm so used to the NQ, obviously gold, but with my funded futures, on the funded side, trading gold isn't a bad idea. Father of Legends. Can't wait for single stock futures. They're out there. They have them. Let's see. Tesla. Actually, I don't know. I feel like they're around. I know there's firms that are letting you trade stocks now. I know that much. JK, how do you trade a take profit trader? 25K eval? Well, you know I like to play a game called Half or Smash. Miss K, nah, it'll liquidate Miss K. It cancels all your orders too, Lucid. But just double check. Just double check. So how I would do it is the way you need, like if you're doing it with the NQ, you need $750 to play Half a Smash. I'm not telling you to do this, but this is the math that I would do. You could trade with 3 minis max. That's $60 a point. You need $750 divided by 60. You need 12 and a half points with 3 minis of the NQ. Well, you really need 12.7. You need 12.75 points. 12 points and 3 ticks because of fees and shit. If you're doing it with gold or crude, because it's $10 a tick per mini, you would need, or $30 if you're full porting, right? You would need 25 ticks. 750 divided by 30 is 25. So you would need 26 ticks to get half of a 25K in one, you know. You don't need to do it in one trade, but you would need to get that many full porting, that much in gains. But 750 is what you want. But you don't have to do it that way. You don't have to do it that way unless you want to. You could do $500 a day. You could do $300 a day. You could do $100 a day for 2 weeks. There's no right or wrong way to build the account. I just like to get that shit over with as quickly as possible. But it also costs me a lot of accounts doing that. Sometimes there's times when I just can't, I'm on such a fucking run or a heater that like I'm just so good at getting my half a smash in. But lately it's been a little tough. I'll get the first half. The second half's been a fucking pain in the ass. Look what I've been doing with those My Fund the Futures accounts or the trade day accounts. Those two specifically, even Lucid. But it doesn't matter now. It's water under the bridge. We just keep it fucking moving, right? We did this today. I just need 2 more days of $150 more, and I'm getting a fucking payout. That's all I care about. Maybe I'll get to grow these as funded accounts soon. I don't know. I got to wait for the 30 days to start rolling off. It might already have, but I'm thinking the latest sometime next week, like Monday or Tuesday, I'll be able to trade funded take profit trader accounts. And then maybe I could fucking grow these another $1,206. That would be cool. Why not? Just my style. If I had to do it all over again, which finger would I have rather broken? That's a great question. Will the code transition to 0-day Jane? That's funny. Should be available to trade in the summer. Good to know, Father of Legends. Probably the pinky. I need that less. The middle finger you kind of need, especially for grip. It took me a while to regain my grip strength on my right hand. So what was happening was like, because this was still, it's still not right, but it was even worse when I was rehabbing and like coming out, out of the surgery and getting the pins out and being cleared to do everything again. Like doing like anything where I had to grip something and pull was hard. Like, especially like lat pull downs with the bar, pull ups, dead hangs were fucking almost, I couldn't, because it wasn't my left arm, it wasn't my left hand, it was my right hand. It was bad. It took a while for me to build up my grip strength. Just doing farmers carries, anything having to hold for a prolonged period of time was fucking rough. Or just the pulling, like I was strong enough in my arms and my lats and shit to do pull downs, but I couldn't. I had to go lighter on the weight because this fucking hand just couldn't fucking hold it. Carlos, nice job, bro. Nice job. All right, guys. Pick a number between between 1 and 101. 1 and 101 for a free take profit trader account. One number, one time, please. You did 6,500 in one account or just across everything, bro? Probably across everything you're trading. But that's good, man. Hey, I'm glad you found your fucking edge. I feel like you found your edge already. You've been killing it. But hey, whatever, you know what I mean? That's good. All I care about is that people fucking find ways to win and win consistently. That's all I want for anybody. I'm just taking my screenshots right now, chat. Fuck. You guys are so fucking annoying. Just working through all these numbers. Shit. Where's the button? Where's the screenshot button? Huh? Oh shit, I didn't even realize that. Good looks, Rick. Rick, I gotta fix that. It's 50% off. God damn it. Hold on, I'm gonna fix it right now. Good looks. I forgot to change that. All right, fixed it. Good looks. Good looking out. All right, let's see if I. Yeah, this is the new kitchen. All right. Random. Three, two, one. Good luck. Whoops. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 42. Who's got 42? Anybody? Nobody. Of all the numbers you could have picked, nobody picked 42. Am I seeing that right? I see a 41. Oh, Alfred's here. Alfred. Why did I not see you say what up in the chat? Maybe you did. I see 41s, but not 42. I could be wrong, though. On to the next one. O'Brien rules. All right. You're good, Miss Goody. You just got in. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 90. I can't believe all these people have 90 in their fucking name, their user ID, but they didn't pick the number 90. Who does that? Who does that? 3, 2, 1, good luck. Coach Fred remembers the original code. 82. PWPCGSEH. I still remember it. Nobody has 82. What the fuck, guys? Come on, you guys. 80. Damn. All right. 3, 2, 1. You guys are so fucking annoying. Can't even pick a number right. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 56. Zoe. Nice. So we finally got a winner. Zoe. Just Zoe. Hey, well, we were going to give one. I mean, I would have given away more, but if someone else won. But that's it. All right, Zoe. So if you're not familiar with the giveaway, you got to join the Discord and then grab the account. Grab the account. Use my code 0DayJ, right? A 50K. We're going to do a 50K. If you want to get a 25K, you could get a 25K. But you could go up to a 50K, take Profit Trader, use the best code 0DayJ, send me a screenshot of your proof of purchase, and then how to pay you back. Zelle, Cash App, PayPal. I'll do Venmo if you don't have the other three. Those are the options. I can't do crypto. All right? Here's the link to join the Discord. And if anybody else wants to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to, because it's the best fucking community on these platform streets. You're in there already? What do you mean? Oh, you're in the Discord already? All right, so just hit me up. Oh, you can't do Take Profit Trader. Is that what you're saying? Can you do Lucid? It's free to join for now. Just hit me up and we'll figure it out. Okay? All right, yeah. So grab a 50K flex. All right, guys, I'm gonna bounce. I gotta go. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe to the channel. Congratulations to Zoe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. I might stream later. I want to. I just haven't been able to this week. A lot of shit's been going on. But things are starting to calm down. The kitchen's done. I don't have to worry about that shit. Hopefully I don't have to take a fucking dog to fucking the emergency vet today, like I did yesterday. I'm gonna go work out though. So at some point, I'll probably be hopping back on. All right? Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button, subscribe, all that good shit. Use the best fucking code to grab accounts anywhere that you could use it if you're going to grab accounts there. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again.